On the other hand, Joint Action Committee against the brutal killing of Mohammad Shahnawas has demanded NIA probe. The JC also expressed surprise over the clarification from Arambai Tengol Unit 2, even before family members of the victim demanding clarification. Condemning the incident, locals of Kairanga took out a sit-in at PYA ground today. Speaking on the sidelines, convener of the JC, Rahman said Mohammad Shahnawas was abducted from hotel, which is located near his residence on the night of January 14 by unknown miscreants who came on a four-wheeler. He further alleged that miscreants on the same night at around 9:45 p.m. made phone call to the wife of the victim, making ransom demand of 5 lakh rupees. And later, Shahnawas was reportedly brought to death at Thawal Hospital on January 15. The convener also expressed his surprise over the clarification made by Arambai Tengol Unit 2.
Joint Action Committee against the brutal killing of MD Shahnawas Apokpa MD Leharuddin Kairang Teramakho. Resolution Equina Tarukhak passed away. High River Resolution Taruk Singadu di Ahan Bada JC Asina Waroisin Amal Lak Tripo Bada Asiba Hakchang Laudaba. High River Mohammad Shahnawas Asidi Icham Chamna Lejaba Driver Amakhakni Mangonda Siriba Maral Asi JC na Akan Mamongda Kandam Tawi. Arambai Tengol Unit 2 Androga Mari Amata Lena de Haina Fongdok Pirakpa Amadi Manipur Police Department na misi asigi matangda lokhalakpa case ki matung inna Arambai Tengol ni haiba mioi taruk phare haina press statement ama Thadorak pasi karambana achumbano haibado ngasi dagi pung kunmari gi manungda JC amadi miamda khangadabani.